Deep in the uncharted expanses of space, orbiting a planet as desolate as it was distant, floated a marvel of alien engineering, the Celestial Observatory. A testament to the galaxy's collective quest for knowledge, it housed a diverse team of scientists, each a luminary in their field. Among them, Xylo, an alien scientist whose brilliance was matched only by his curiosity for the unknown, peered into the abyss of space, searching for cosmic secrets. On this day, a day that would forever alter the course of interspecies relations and understanding of the universe, Xylo's routine monitoring unveiled an anomaly so profound it challenged the very laws of physics. His instruments detected a spacecraft, but not of any known configuration or technology. Its speed was inconceivable, traversing distances and spans that defied the universal constants. The insignia emblazoned on its hull was unmistakable, a representation of Earth, marking it as a vessel of humanity, a species famed for its rapid technological advances and unyielding drive to explore. The observatory burst into a flurry of activity. Xylo, with his wide, keen eyes, called his colleagues to witness the spectacle. "Look at this data," he urged, his voice a mix of excitement and disbelief. The screen displayed a trajectory that bent the fabric of space-time itself, a feat thought impossible by the current understanding of physics. Humanity's boldness, it seemed, had leaped far beyond mere interstellar travel, encroaching into realms believed to be beyond reach. The implications were staggering. If humans had indeed mastered such technology, what else could they achieve? And more pressingly, were they even aware of the potential dangers their innovation posed not just to themselves, but to the fabric of the universe? The team, led by Xylo, realized the urgency of the situation. They needed to study this human spacecraft closely, understand its technology, and if necessary, intervene to prevent a catastrophe. But first they had to catch it, a daunting task given the vessel's unprecedented speed. Xylo proposed a daring plan. Using their station's advanced propulsion system, they would attempt to intercept the spacecraft, a maneuver fraught with risk but necessary. "We must understand how they've achieved this," he asserted, his voice firm with resolve, "and ensure it doesn't lead to disaster." Preparations began immediately. The observatory transformed from a bastion of passive research to the command center of a mission with potentially galactic implications. Instruments were recalibrated, propulsion systems charged, and the team braced for an encounter that would bridge the gap between the known and the unknown. As the observatory set off on its intercept course, Xylo couldn't help but feel a thrill of anticipation. Humanity had thrown down a gauntlet, challenging the established laws of the cosmos. It was now up to him and his team to unravel the mystery of the HSS Pioneering Spirit *, a name that would become etched in the annals of galactic history. On Earth, beneath the vast expanse of a starlit sky, the *HSS Pioneering Spirit * sat on the launch pad, its engines humming with anticipation. Its sleek, aerodynamic design contrasted sharply with the bulky utilitarian spacecraft of previous generations. This vessel was different, not just in appearance but in purpose and capability. At its heart lay a prototype engine, the culmination of human ingenuity and the key to unlocking speeds that could bend the very fabric of space-time. Captain Jace Raiden, a veteran of space exploration with a gaze as steady as his resolve, stood before his crew, assembled in the briefing room. His second-in-command, Leo Tarkin, and chief engineer Nox Verratti flanked him, embodying the best and brightest humanity had to offer. Jace's speech was brief, touching on the gravity of their mission without dwelling on the dangers that lay ahead. "Our journey," he began, "is not just about reaching new worlds or expanding our horizons. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible." His eyes met those of his crew, each member handpicked not just for their skills, but for their unyielding courage. The Pioneering Spirit is aptly named, for we are about to pioneer a future where the stars are not just points of light in the sky, but destinations. As the crew boarded the spacecraft, the sense of anticipation was palpable. Nox, with his unmatched expertise in the engine's technology, performed the final checks with meticulous care. The engine, based on theories once deemed too radical, promised to leapfrog humanity into a new era of space travel. Leo, responsible for the welfare of the crew and the success of the mission, reviewed the flight plan. His calm demeanor belied the adrenaline coursing through his veins. This mission was the culmination of years of preparation, a dream that was about to become reality. The countdown began, each second ticking away towards a moment that would be remembered throughout history. As the engines ignited, propelling the pioneering spirit into the cosmos, Jace couldn't help but reflect on the path that led him here. From the dreams of a child gazing up at the stars to the captain of humanity's most ambitious mission, his journey symbolized the indomitable spirit of exploration. The pioneering spirit pierced the atmosphere, leaving Earth behind as it ventured into the unknown. Its destination was a mystery even to the crew, for the real mission was to test the limits of their technology, to go where no one had gone before. Unbeknownst to them, their departure did not go unnoticed. Far above, watching with keen interest, were beings for whom the laws of physics were not guidelines, but rules that had governed the universe for eons. The pioneering spirit with its human crew and revolutionary engine, was about to challenge those rules, setting the stage for an encounter that would bridge two vastly different understandings of the cosmos. As the HSS pioneering spirit sliced through the fabric of space, propelled by its groundbreaking engine, it left a wake of distorted space-time that rippled through the cosmos. The effects of this disturbance were not just theoretical. They were observable, tangible, and increasingly concerning to those who understood their implications. Back at the Celestial Observatory, Xylo and his team of alien scientists worked tirelessly to monitor the human spacecraft's progress. The data was alarming. Energy levels off the charts, space-time fluctuations in patterns never before seen. The pioneering spirit wasn't just traveling, it was tearing through the very fabric of the universe, creating ripples that could have unforeseen consequences. Could they be aware of the potential damage? One of the scientists, a specialist in space-time physics, wondered aloud. Xylo, his gaze fixed on the screen displaying the spacecraft's trajectory, responded, "I doubt it. Their technology is revolutionary, but their understanding of its implications might not be as advanced. We must contact them, warn them." The task was daunting. Communication across such distances, especially between species with no prior contact and potentially incompatible technology, was fraught with challenges. Nevertheless, the risk of inaction was too great. The team set about devising a method to bridge the communication gap, working against time as the pioneering spirit continued on its potentially destructive path. Aboard the pioneering spirit the crew was unaware of the cosmic turmoil their mission had unleashed. Jace Radon, focused on navigating the uncharted territories of space, noticed the first signs of trouble. Strange readings began to appear on their instruments. Fluctuations in energy levels, anomalies in space-time that defied explanation. "Nox, report," Jace called out, his voice steady despite the growing concern. Nox, poring over the data with a furrowed brow, struggled to make sense of the readings. "Captain, it's unlike anything I've seen. The engine is functioning within parameters, but the space around us is reacting, for lack of a better word." Leo joined them, adding, "It's as if our presence here is causing a disturbance, a ripple effect that's growing." The crew faced a dilemma. Their mission, their technology, hailed as a triumph back on Earth, might be a harbinger of disaster. The realization weighed heavily on Jace. The responsibility for the safety of his crew, and potentially the stability of space-time itself, rested on his shoulders. As they deliberated on their next course of action, a breakthrough came from an unexpected quarter. The Celestial Observatory, utilizing a combination of advanced technology and ingenuity, managed to send a message through the void, a message that would bridge two worlds in countless light years. The communication was crude, fragmented by the vast distances and the limitations of interspecies technology. But its essence was clear. Stop. Danger. For the crew of the pioneering spirit the message was a shockwave, a stark realization that their mission had consequences beyond their wildest imaginations. For Xylo and his team, it was a first, desperate step towards averting a crisis of cosmic proportions. The moment the message from the Celestial Observatory pierced the veil of the unknown to reach the HSS Pioneering Spirit *, the atmosphere aboard the human spacecraft changed irrevocably. From a mission characterized by bold exploration, it pivoted to one of cosmic significance, the first acknowledged contact between humanity and an alien intelligence. Captain Jace Radon, alongside his crew, faced the encoded message with a mixture of astonishment and grave concern. The words, "Stop! Danger!" resonated through the cabin, a stark warning from the depths of space. The implications were profound. Not only were they not alone in the universe, but their groundbreaking mission had also potentially endangered the cosmic balance. Back at the Celestial Observatory, Xylo and his team waited with bated breath for a response. The decision to reach out, to bridge the gulf between their species and humanity, was not made lightly. The risks were immense, but so were the stakes. The universe, in its boundless complexity, had brought them to this pivotal moment. Aboard the Pioneering Spirit Jace convened an emergency meeting. Knox, with his deep understanding of the ship's technology, and Leo, whose strategic mind was adept at navigating uncertainties, were pivotal to the discussion. The message was clear in its intent, if not its specifics. The engine, the pride of human achievement, was a Pandora's box that they had unwittingly opened. The decision was made. Jace, with the consensus of his crew, initiated a cautious reply. Using the ship's advanced communication systems, they crafted a message of peace and inquiry, hoping to bridge the language and comprehension gap between their species. "We receive your warning. Seek understanding and peace," the message read, cast into the void with the hope of fostering a dialogue. Xylo, upon receiving the human's reply, felt a surge of relief and curiosity. The simplicity of the message, its underlying intent of peace and a desire for understanding, mirrored his own sentiments. The next step was critical, the establishment of a dialogue, a meeting of minds across the stars. The observatory, utilizing its advanced technologies, pinpointed the Pioneering Spirit's location, setting the stage for an unprecedented encounter. Xylo proposed a daring plan, to intercept the human spacecraft, to make physical contact. The risks were considerable, but the potential for mutual understanding, for bridging two vastly different perspectives of the universe, was a chance too valuable to pass up. As the observatory maneuvered into intercept course, the crew of the Pioneering Spirit prepared for the unknown. The prospect of meeting an alien species, of standing on the precipice of a new era of cosmic cooperation, was daunting. Yet, amidst the apprehension, there was a palpable sense of wonder, a realization that they were about to experience what many had only dared to dream. The moment of contact was near, a convergence of humanity's drive for exploration and the aliens' guardianship of cosmic harmony. Two vessels, one human, the other alien, approached each other against the backdrop of the infinite cosmos, a testament to the indomitable spirit of curiosity that transcends species. The void between the HSS Pioneering Spirit and the Celestial Observatory shrank minute by minute until the two spacecraft were within visual range of one another. For the humans aboard the Pioneering Spirit the sight of the observatory was nothing short of breathtaking. A vessel so advanced, so alien, it seemed to defy the very principles of human-engineered space travel. Its surfaces gleamed with an unknown material, reflecting the distant stars in a tapestry of light and shadow. For Xylo and his team, the human spacecraft represented a culmination of curiosity and fear. Its design was unmistakably utilitarian, a contrast to the elegant complexity of the observatory. Yet within its confines lay the architects of a technology that had unsettled the galaxy. The moment was historic, fraught with tension and possibility. The initial communication, facilitated by makeshift translation algorithms, was awkward but suffused with a mutual desire for understanding. Xylo, taking the lead, expressed his concerns about the Pioneering Spirit's engine technology and its unintended consequences on the fabric of spacetime. His message was clear. While the pursuit of knowledge was a noble endeavor, it must not come at the expense of the cosmos itself. Jace Radon, speaking for humanity, acknowledged the gravity of Xylo's warning. The technology, he explained, was humanity's leap toward the stars, a testament to their indomitable spirit. Yet, he admitted, their understanding of its implications was incomplete. The risk of endangering the cosmic balance was never their intention. The dialogue, though fraught with technical challenges, marked the beginning of an unprecedented collaboration. The observatory's advanced understanding of space-time physics and the Asterisk pioneering spirit's groundbreaking technology were complementary forces. Together, they could seek a solution that safeguarded the fabric of the universe while allowing humanity to continue its exploratory mission. A plan began to take shape. The Asterisk pioneering spirit Asterisk would dock with the Celestial Observatory, a technical feat that required precise maneuvering and trust on both sides. The human crew, led by Jace, Nox, and Leo, would work alongside Xylo's team, sharing data, theories, and insights. Their goal was twofold: to understand the full extent of the space-time disturbances caused by the human engine, and to develop a means to mitigate or even reverse the damage. The docking procedure was a tense but ultimately successful endeavor, a physical joining that symbolized the newfound alliance between the two crews. For the first time, humans and aliens stood face to face, separated only by the transparent material of the docking bay. The moment was electric, charged with the realization that they were not alone in their quest for knowledge and exploration. As they commenced their collaborative work, the barriers of language and culture began to erode. Nox and Xylo, in particular, found common ground in their mutual fascination with the mechanics of the universe. Their discussions, once hindered by translation errors, grew more fluid, a testament to the universal language of science. Leo, meanwhile, coordinated the logistics of the joint mission, ensuring that both crews had the resources and support they needed. His ability to navigate the complexities of interspecies cooperation was invaluable, fostering an atmosphere of mutual respect and camaraderie. The unlikely alliance between the human and alien crews, born of necessity and cemented by a shared commitment to preserving the cosmic order, embarked on their joint mission. Together, they stood on the precipice of discovery, poised to unravel the mysteries of space-time, a venture that promised to change the course of their civilizations forever. Together, the united crew of the Asterisk HSS pioneering spirit Asterisk and the Celestial Observatory embarked on a journey towards the source of the space-time disturbances, a region of space so volatile, so enigmatic, it was known among Xylo's people as the edge of reality. This was a place where the fabric of the universe stretched thin, where the laws of physics behaved more like guidelines than rules. As they approached, the visual and sensor anomalies intensified. Stars appeared to warp and stretch. Blackness deeper than the void of space itself blinked in and out of existence, as if the universe were blinking an eye. Nox and Xylo, working in tandem, monitored the ship's engines and the observatory's stabilizing fields, ensuring they remained a safe distance from the chaotic energies swirling at the edge of reality. Jace and Leo, meanwhile, strategized their approach, balancing the need for exploration with the imperative to keep their crew safe. They decided on deploying a series of probes equipped with sensors capable of withstanding the extreme conditions to gather data on the anomalies. The data returned was staggering, revealing fluctuations in space-time that defied understanding, along with hints of structures. Perhaps the remnants of civilizations that had once dared to explore too closely. The discovery was a sobering reminder of the dangers they faced. Yet it also underscored the importance of their mission. If they could understand the forces at work at the edge of reality, they might find a way to repair the damage caused by the Asterisk pioneering spirit's engine and prevent similar catastrophes in the future. The breakthrough came from an unlikely source. A probe, caught in a particularly violent fluctuation, was flung back towards the ship, its sensors overloaded with data. As Nox and Xylo sifted through the information, they uncovered patterns in the chaos, a way to predict and possibly stabilize the fluctuations. Armed with this knowledge, the team devised a plan. They would use the Asterisk pioneering spirit's engine, in conjunction with the observatory's technology, to generate a counter-frequency that could mend the tears in space-time. It was an ambitious plan, fraught with risk, but it offered a glimmer of hope. The preparations were meticulous, every variable accounted for, every potential outcome simulated. As the moment of truth approached, the crews of both ships stood together, a testament to the power of unity in the face of the unknown. The operation commenced. The Asterisk Pioneering Spirit's engine roared to life, its energy harnessed and directed by the observatory's stabilizing fields. A beam of pure, controlled chaos pierced the heart of the disturbance, meeting the tumultuous energies with a force of equal but opposite intent. For a moment, the universe held its breath. Then, slowly, the chaos began to recede. The fluctuations dampened, the tears in the fabric of reality mending before their eyes. The edge of reality, once a place of untold danger, transformed into a testament to what could be achieved when disparate beings worked together for a common cause. In the aftermath of their success, the crew of the Asterisk HSS Pioneering Spirit Asterisk and the Celestial Observatory looked upon the calm expanse of space with a new sense of wonder and responsibility. They adventured to the edge of reality and returned, not just survivors but pioneers of a new understanding of the universe. In the aftermath of their monumental achievement at the edge of reality, the combined crew of the Asterisk HSS Pioneering Spirit Asterisk and the Celestial Observatory gathered to assess the impact of their actions. The fabric of space-time, once torn and frayed by the unwitting transgressions of humanity, now healed, presented a new frontier of understanding and cooperation between the species. The data collected from the operation revealed far more than the mechanics of space-time repair. It hinted at the existence of previously unknown universal laws, a deeper order to the cosmos that both humanity and Xylo's people had yet to comprehend. This discovery, while offering a moment of triumph, also laid bare the vastness of their ignorance. Captain Jace Radon and Xylo, now not just allies but friends forged in the crucible of cosmic uncertainty, recognized the importance of this moment. It was not merely a closure to a dangerous chapter, but the opening of a new era of exploration and collaboration. They proposed a joint venture, a shared mission to delve into these newly uncovered mysteries of the universe. The Asterisk, GASS Pioneering Spirit Asterisk, and the Celestial Observatory, once symbols of their respective civilizations' achievements, became the twin beacons of this new age. Outfitted with enhanced sensors and experimental equipment developed from their recent experiences, they set out towards the regions illuminated by their groundbreaking work. As they journeyed, they encountered phenomena that defied explanation, structures that existed in multiple dimensions simultaneously, particles that communicated instantaneously across vast distances, and realms where time flowed in reverse. Each discovery was a puzzle piece in the grand design of the universe, challenging their understanding and expanding their perspective. The relationship between the crews deepened, evolving into a symbiotic partnership. Human ingenuity and adaptability complemented the advanced alien technology and deep knowledge of the cosmos. Knox and his counterparts from the observatory worked tirelessly, developing new instruments and theories to probe the mysteries unveiled by their journey. Leo, ever the strategist, coordinated the exploration efforts, ensuring that their pursuit of knowledge remained guided by wisdom and caution. The dangers they faced were no longer just physical but existential, challenging their very understanding of reality. Through their journey, the Asterisk HSS Pioneering Spirit, Asterisk and the Celestial Observatory became more than explorers. They were pioneers on a quest to understand the fundamental truths of existence. Their discoveries, shared freely between their peoples, laid the groundwork for a federation of civilizations committed to the peaceful exploration of the cosmos. The convergence of humanity and alien intelligence, once a source of fear and uncertainty, had blossomed into the universe's greatest asset. Together, they faced the unknown, driven by a shared curiosity and a common purpose. The mysteries of the cosmos, once daunting in their scope, now seemed within reach, a challenge to be met with unity and resolve.